Hi everyone, welcome to the Droigy channel. Today's video will explain what happens when your Android phone is stuck checking for updates. Android releases new versions from time to time, and each update brings new features or performance improvements. When you find a new update for your Android phone, do you check for updates immediately? It usually only takes a second to show if an update is available, but since yesterday, your Android phone has been stuck on checking for updates. We know this can be frustrating, as it prevents you from doing anything with your Android device. If your Android phone is stuck checking for updates, don't worry. We'll show you how to fix it. This video applies to phones from Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Please be patient and watch this video until the end. Before trying to fix your Android phone stuck checking for updates, let's first understand why my Android phone keeps saying checking for updates. We'll explain several reasons why checking for updates is taking too long on your Android phone. 1. Corrupted update files. If there's a problem with the update file, your Android phone may get stuck. 2. Battery issues. If your Android phone's battery is too low, the device may not be able to proceed to the next step of the update. 3. Insufficient storage space. Insufficient storage space can also cause your Android phone to take a long time to check for updates. 4. Software errors. Your phone's software or firmware may contain errors, causing compatibility or other issues. Now it's time to learn how to fix being stuck checking for updates on your Android phone. We've compiled some practical methods and compiled them into a video, so please be patient and watch this video. We hope it helps you stop your Android phone from checking for updates. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you resolve the issue. Method 1 is to charge your phone. The update process can take a long time and consume a lot of battery, so the battery may drain quickly. As a result, your Android device may get stuck on the checking for update screen, preventing the update from completing. Therefore, charge your phone to at least 80%, then try updating again to see if this fixes the issue. Method 2 is to force restart your phone. The phone is stuck at searching for updates issue may occur when your phone's software experiences a bug and you've already checked for updates. A force restart can resolve these errors or issues checking for updates. It's a simple process and won't cause any data loss. Follow my steps to try it now. To force restart your Android phone, long press the power and volume down buttons on your phone. The Samsung phone shown in the video uses the power and volume down buttons. Press and hold the force restart button combination for 10 to 15 seconds. When the phone's brand logo appears on the screen, release it and your phone will automatically restart. After the restart is complete, try updating your phone again to see if the Android phone is stuck at checking for updates issue has resolved. Method 3 is to check your storage space. Any download or update requires new memory space. If your device is running low on storage space, the Android phone is stuck at checking for updates issue may occur. To verify whether you have enough storage space, follow these steps. Check and clear your storage space. First, open your phone's settings and tap General Management. Once you're on the General Management screen, tap Storage. Check if your storage is less than 15% or less. If so, free up storage space, delete unnecessary files, or upload some files to the cloud. After clearing the storage, try updating again. If there's still plenty of storage space, the issue with your Android phone being stuck on checking for updates isn't caused by insufficient storage. Method 4 is to check your network connection. Both checking for updates and updating require a working internet connection. If your network is unstable or interrupted, your device may crash due to corrupted downloaded files, which can be the culprit for the Google Play system update stuck on checking for updates issue. Therefore, please check that your device's internet connection is working properly and stable. Method 5 is to enter safe mode. If you've downloaded third-party updaters or other software onto your Android phone, these third-party apps may interfere with the update process, causing it to be stuck on checking for updates during setup. If this happens on your phone, you can enable safe mode. Safe mode only loads essential processes and doesn't run any third-party applications. To enable safe mode on an Android phone, follow these steps. Press and hold the power button until the shutdown screen appears. On the shutdown screen, tap and hold the power icon until the safe mode option appears. Once safe mode appears, tap safe mode. Your phone will restart and return to the home screen in safe mode. Please wait patiently. Try updating your Android phone again in safe mode. If the update works, it indicates a problem with a third-party app. You will need to delete and verify the downloaded apps one by one. Finally, to exit safe mode, simply restart your Android phone. Method 6 is a factory reset. If all the above methods fail, a factory reset is your last resort. You will need to erase all data on your phone to get rid of the stuck checking for updates screen on your Android phone. However, if you have data on your phone that you need, back it up before performing the factory reset. Otherwise, all data will be lost. To perform a factory reset, connect your phone to a computer. Make sure your phone is turned off and wait at least 30 seconds. Then, simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power buttons until you see the recovery mode screen. Do not release them during this time. In Android recovery mode, use the volume down button to select the wipe data/factory reset option, then press the power button to confirm. Then, use the volume down button again to select factory reset and confirm with the power button. This will trigger the reset process, which takes only 2 to 3 seconds. Once complete, it will return you to the same recovery mode. Then, use the power button to select Reboot System Now. Your Android phone will turn back on and enter the home screen normally. Wait for the reset to complete, then go back to settings and try updating your phone. This should resolve the issue of your Android phone getting stuck on the checking for updates screen. Finally, transfer your backed up data back to your Android phone. Method 7 is to seek professional help. If you've tried all troubleshooting methods and the Android phone stuck on checking for updates persists, your Android phone may be experiencing a hardware issue. We recommend visiting your nearest customer service center for professional assistance. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like and share it, and let us know in the comments which method helped you solve your problem. If you think we need improvement, please share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. Thank you. Good luck.